All right, so customer complaint. We got the H20 error code, so we're about to check it out and see what's going on. More than likely, it's going to be a bad pressure switch. So straining out. Was somebody trying to use this to? All right, so we just started it up and we got the error code already. So they had already started it earlier, so we're about to check it out. Let me cancel it out. And then we're gonna replace it. It never started. All right, so this is the new part we're about to change out. Right here, the sensor. All right, so here's the other one, pretty bad. This is the new one. We have to change out. And that's the harness. Alright, so it started up. So we're good to go.
Got the bond, they got the way. They 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 got the bond, they